Okay, we're here. We got the QR50 running. It turned out that it was a main jet that was way too big.
Yeah.
So we had one from the CRF50 that we put in there. And what are you working on? So we had one for the CRF50 and we put it in there and it fired up and it's running really good. So we're going to test it out for the first time. Rennen's all suited up. He's going to ride and he's going to tell us what he thinks, all right?
Yeah.
Yep, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready? Let's check it out and see how it goes. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so we took the QR for its first ride. What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. What do you think? How was it?
Yes.
Yeah. Come on, how was it?
Good.
All right, so what did you like about it and what didn't you like about it?
I didn't like it going fast.
It doesn't go fast?
No.
It's pretty slow?
Yeah.
Compared to your Pee-wee, it's too slow?
Yeah.
Yeah?
New tire.
New tires? Yeah. I think maybe we need to adjust the slipper clutch on it.
Yeah.
Because it looks like it's not hooking up. It's not putting its power down. So maybe we just got to adjust the clutch. You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then we'll get new tires. Maybe
and
we'll
bring
get.
it to Orlando MX.
You still want to bring it to Orlando MX, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll try it on the MX track. It might be fast there.
Yeah.
It's just that our track's small. So we'll try it on Orlando MX.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
All right, so that's it for the QR50 build. And so we are at the point now where we got it running. And we're going to choose how we restore it. Probably some new plastics, definitely new tires. Get the wheels back to the gold color. And some stickers and graphics. And we'll probably try to get it to be fast so we can make it a race bike. Because the suspension on it's pretty good. So it's slow off the bat. But I think we need to adjust the clutch a little bit. And we'll see what happens from there. But overall, we're glad to get it running and see what happens from here. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode, which can't promise when that will be, but we'll keep you. You want to try it at Orlando MX? Yeah. All right, hey, how about our next episode can be that we test it at Orlando MX?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll do some more modifications on it, and then we'll try to get it going faster. What do you think? Yeah? What do you think? Good? Yeah. All right. That looks good. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you after the next one.